What do they got here? Faggy doesn't want these. Only $60. Go get Faggy.
Faggy!
Go get her. Don't just scream. Go get her. The feast of maximum occupancy.
A Japanese one, but it's the size of like a magazine page. That's all kinds of Japanese writing on the back.
You want one of these?
No.
You sure?
60, no.
It's not bad.
If I had my own house, then I would. But I don't.
Put it in the sukkah. No, it's not gonna keep in the sukkah. You sure you don't want it? Okay. I would have get it for you.
I don't have a place to put it. We gotta get going, and I have to leave. Unless I should just go to Milky Way without you guys?
No, I'm gonna.
Because I have to leave Milky Way. Like, shut up.
There's $4,000. You want it?
I would kill someone for this. This is amazing. Let's get this
You want this?
Yeah, $7.
All right. You have money? They take a card.
A bunch of Argento deep red.
I always said when I first saw this when I was a kid.
All right. So get it. Let's get it. I have money.
How much is it?
Oh, right.
Sorry,
It's out there as of, no, wait. Late 90s, it's still.
Yeah, put it inside the other one.
No, I can see it now.
Yeah, he wants to come in.